Welcome to the channel everyone. If you're in the market for a motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic cruiser charm with modern performance, then stick around, because today on Drive Vibe, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500A, one of the most versatile, beginner-friendly, and all-around exciting bikes of the year. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The Honda Rebel 500 has always been a crowd favorite for its approachable nature and striking design. But with the 2025 model, Honda has taken it up a notch, refining this cruiser in ways that make it even more appealing. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your two-wheel journey, the Rebel 500 deserves a spot on your radar. Starting with the heart of the Rebel, the engine. This bike is powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The liquid-cooled design ensures consistent performance, even on long rides or in warm weather. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, which makes it ideal for newer riders, but there's enough pep in its step to keep experienced riders grinning as well. Honda has tweaked the throttle response for 2025, making it even more responsive without being intimidating. It's an engine that feels right at home in the city, on the highway, or cruising along scenic back roads. Now, let's talk about one of the Rebel 500's most standout features of the design. Honda has truly nailed the art of blending retro and modern aesthetics with this motorcycle. The 2025 model keeps the classic low-slung cruiser stance, but sharpens things up with sleeker lines and updated details. The LED lighting, including the round headlight, gives it a modern edge while staying true to the Rebel's timeless appeal. The fuel tank, slightly redesigned for this year, maintains its iconic teardrop shape but feels even more ergonomic when you're gripping it. One of the first things you'll notice about the Rebel is how approachable it is. At just 27.2 inches, the seat height is low enough for most riders to flat-foot comfortably at stops, which is a huge confidence booster, especially for shorter riders or those new to motorcycling. The seat itself has been upgraded for 2025 with a thicker, more supportive cushion, making long rides more enjoyable. Honda knows that comfort is key, and they've nailed it with this model. When it comes to handling, the Rebel 500 shines. The bike's lightweight frame and low center of gravity make it incredibly easy to maneuver, whether you're weaving through city traffic or carving up a twisty mountain road. For 2025, Honda has fine-tuned the suspension, and the results are impressive. The front forks and rear shocks provide a smooth ride over bumps and dips, while still offering enough firmness for spirited cornering. It's the kind of setup that makes the Rebel feel planted and predictable, giving you the confidence to push your limits a little further. The Rebel 500's braking system also deserves a mention. The single-disc brakes front and rear, paired with standard ABS, deliver reliable stopping power without being overly grabby. The ABS is particularly reassuring in wet or slippery conditions, ensuring you stay in control no matter what the road throws at you. Now let's dive into some of the finer details that make the Rebel 500 a standout choice. The 2025 model comes with a full LED lighting system, from the headlight to the taillight and even the turn signals. This isn't just about aesthetics. LED lights are brighter and more energy efficient, making you more visible to other drivers, especially at night. Honda has also equipped the Rebel 500 with a new LCD display that's both functional and stylish. The compact gauge shows everything you need at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. It's not overly complicated, which fits perfectly with the Rebel's minimalist vibe, but it's modern enough to remind you that this is a thoroughly up-to-date motorcycle. Fuel economy is another area where the Rebel excels. With a fuel tank capacity of 3 gallons and an estimated fuel efficiency of around 67 miles per gallon, you can expect to cover a lot of ground between fill-ups. That's a big win for both urban commuters and weekend adventurers. Speaking of adventures, the Rebel 500 is surprisingly versatile when it comes to customization. Honda offers a range of factory accessories, including saddlebags, a rear carrier, and a passenger seat kit, allowing you to tailor the bike to your specific needs. Want to turn it into a long-distance tourer? No problem. Prefer a stripped-down bobber look? That's easy too. The Rebel's modular design makes it a blank canvas for personalization, which is a huge part of its appeal. Ergonomics are another area where the Rebel shines. The relaxed riding position, with mid-mounted foot pegs and a slightly forward handlebar, strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control. It's a bike you can ride for hours without feeling cramped or fatigued. For 2025, Honda has also improved the handlebar grips, making them more comfortable for longer rides. Performance-wise, the Rebel 500 might not be the fastest bike in its class, but that's not really the point. What it offers is a smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring ride. The torque comes on early and stays linear, making it easy to manage whether you're accelerating from a stoplight or overtaking on the highway. It's the kind of bike that makes you feel connected to the road, which is what riding is all about. The Rebel's compact size also makes it a fantastic choice for city riders. It's narrow enough to slip through traffic, and the lightweight design means you'll never feel bogged down, even in stop-and-go conditions. Pair that with a low seat height and manageable power output, and you've got a bike that's as practical as it is fun. For those of you who are concerned about maintenance, the Rebel 500 is as hassle-free as they come. Honda's reputation for reliability is well-earned, and the Rebel is no exception. The engine is built to last, and routine maintenance is straightforward and affordable. It's a bike that's designed to spend more time on the road and less time in the shop. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 is a bike that checks all the boxes. It's stylish, approachable, and versatile, with just enough performance to keep things exciting. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first bike or a seasoned motorcyclist in search of a reliable daily cruiser, the Rebel 500 is hard to beat. Here on Drive Vibe, we think the Rebel 500 represents everything that's great about motorcycling. It's not just a machine, it's an invitation to explore, to take the long way home, and to find joy in the journey. Thanks for tuning in to Drive Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews and motorcycle content, and let us know in the comments what bike you'd like us to cover next. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.